guys, welcome back to Tata Mary's channel. If you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and turn notifications to get notified every time we upload. Sorry for the background noises, my mom is over there watching her novelas. Whatever. So, on Instagram, I had a DM. I'm not gonna say her name. Hold on, let me close my door. I don't feel like cleaning the over. I'm telling you guys. But she was asking me about how so she was talking about, I'm sorry, like I'm stopping because I'm trying to remember. She was saying how why did we stop, like the two videos that we did last, that I did last on this channel, why did I edit them? Did y'all stop editing them? Please answer. So here's your response. Yes, we did stop editing them because it's a lot of work. So right now, all we're doing right now is like making the video and just uploading it to YouTube, because it takes a long time to edit because you gotta like stay on track. But we'll start editing back. We have winter break, so I'm on winter break. Winter break started today. Actually, I didn't go to school today, but yes, it did start today. So thank you all for 17 subscribers. Like, I can't believe we already have 17 subscribers. Like, look at it. You'll see that? We have 17 subscribers. Like, but make sure y'all really subscribe because me and Tyler really want to do this giveaway. It's Christmas. It's almost Christmas. Let's go to my calendar. Look, it's just 21. There's 82 hours. So that's 3 days into Christmas. Like, it's so exciting. Like, I can't wait. Like, if you guys want us to do like a haul, like what we got for Christmas 2018 edition or whatever, just in the comments below. I didn't know if you guys heard it in the last video because I was kind of doing ASMR, but if y'all didn't hear, shout out to, I think it's Maya. Hold on, I think it's this video. Yeah, she told me she can get a shout out. So it's Maya. It's me, Maya. It's like right there. I'm trying to maybe meddling right there. I don't know if you can see, but at the end of like this clip, like at the end of the video, I will put like her name or whatever at the end of the video, like a little clip of her name. So yeah, but yeah, I'm just coming on here. It's like a little vlog, but not really. Oh guys, I got these, hold on, slimes from our cousins, and I wanted to reveal them. Like, they're so cute. Like, they gave me them for Christmas, but they're really wrapped, so they just gave me them like this. But as you can see, it's a watermelon, and they know I love slime. It's a watermelon. It's a watermelon. You can see. Then I have this cute, like, koala thing with you. But let's take it out. Like, it just looks so nice, you guys. Like, I promise that was a slime. That was not me. It was a slime. It's super pretty. Tell me in the comments below what you guys asked for Christmas. So this one's more like a putty slime. I haven't actually played with them yet. I think they did though, but that's fine. You know, because this one's like this. They just gave me it. So, yeah. I like it. I like it. It's really nice. It's more like on the puttier side. But if you stretch it slow, like, it'll actually stretch. I like it a lot. It's kind of clear. I like it. I really don't know where they get it from, where they got it from, but I really like it. I really like it. Okay, on to the next one. And I like the color. It's blue. And then I have this one, which is, I guess, a watermelon. It's pretty. So I guess I just pop this out. It's that easy, look. Just pop it out. Or am I supposed to pop this out? I don't know. I'm gonna. Or am I supposed to? No, I think I am supposed to pop it out. Yeah. And then how? And then I open like this on top. Ooh. So it's red. It's like a little slime. Ooh, this one's more on a slime. This is not putty. This is a slime. Yeah, this one's a slime. It's actually pretty nice. It's more slime than putty. I would think these would be putty, but no, they're really not. Actually pretty nice. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. I like it. I really like the detail. Like this. Yeah, I really like it. I like both of them. They're really nice. Thank you guys. If you guys are watching this, thank you very much. Alrighty guys, so I hope you liked this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.